In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this softbody animation in Blender. Let's create a plane and use that as the ground mesh. Shift-D to duplicate, R, X, and 90 to rotate 90 degrees on the X-axis, G, and Y to move on the Y-axis, S to scale. Let's add a torus. I'll add a UV sphere. Please remember not to add too much details on the sphere, otherwise the scene will start to lag. Ctrl+1 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add the collisions physics to the meshes. On the UV sphere, we need the softbody physics. Let's uncheck Goal, and check Self-Collision. For bending, add any values between 1 to 3. If we click the Start button, the animation will play. Let's scale the size of the sphere. Time to add the materials. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.